Look at that floor. Just beautiferous. Gas can. Helpful if you need gas.
Oh yeah. Huh. That's gonna have to be replaced, I guess.
The gas can?
No, the floor.
Sure thing it is. Either that or we can just bolt a couple seats right to the fiberglass. Look at the quality down in there.
Oh,
it's good.
this is...
Oh goodness, something's bent.
Ah. How heavy is this?
Pretty heavy.
Hey, it's the Peterborough.
Yeah.
The boat is rated for what, a 40?
40 or under apparently.
And we've got a 70.
Because that's under 40.
Betsy sits atop one of the sketchiest trailers I've ever seen. I guess I could break my back and vacuum all this stuff out. But you know what? The remains of Grandma's old carpet will probably just help add some buoyancy to this boat. We were given a nice windshield yesterday. I'm no carpenter. So that, I don't know where that went. Betsy's pretty soft inside there. The wood in the middle, not so great.
Old men get hernias. Take one.
There's the boat. Of course, there's holes in the floor and everything, so you gotta be careful. And there we go. Got our to-do list right on Betsy here.
I told them I will be their bra on this one. I will support both sides of whatever they choose to do, no matter how different. Becca doesn't work, so that's promising. The jet boat was seized. What is?
Yep. I think every good engine needs a name. This Johnson 70, should we name it Bill?
No. Hell no. It'll throw me out of the boat.
Even I never even noticed this before, but it has a compass on there.
The compass was the selling point.
Is that a cigarette lighter?
It sure is.
So I can say with relative certainty that we are not boat people at all.